Now the inactive accounts, note that if you're not using an account and you want to say, hey, look, I don't want the account to be dropping down as a potential account that I could post to because I might mistakenly post to that account, for example, and I don't want it showing up. So for example, when I do a data input form, like an expense form, and I go in to enter the accounts down here into a category, which is the chart of accounts, then I have all of these accounts. What if I don't want all of these accounts basically to show up? Well, you could say maybe I should delete an account so it doesn't show up in there. It'll be easier for me to search through the chart of accounts as I do data input. However, if there's already data that's been recorded to an account, I can't really delete it because then it would mess up my financial statements that have already been created. So in that case, it would make sense to have the inactive account so that you can make it inactive, so that it'll preserve anything that was posted to it before, but hopefully not show up in an active position as we're doing transactions in the current and future time frames. Now, when you first start up the company file, it would be nice if they allowed you to delete the accounts before there's anything in them, because you'd rather just not have them. You might not be able to do that. You might only be able to make them basically inactive. So we have the name, we have the account type. So if you want to see the inactive accounts to possibly make them active again, that's when you would go into this one, clicking it off so you can see the inactive accounts. Otherwise, they won't be there because that's the point of making them inactive. We don't want them in the way. All right, so then we have the name, the account type, the detail type, the QuickBooks balance, the bank balance,